tutorial is a quick one about how to freeze rows and columns in a spreadsheet. So a lot of times if you're working in a spreadsheet that has a lot of rows and columns and you're having to scroll up and down and side to side to enter information or look at information, sometimes it gets tricky trying to make sure that you're on the correct row or column. So there's a way to freeze some things that can help you. So the biggest thing for me is probably freezing columns. So let's say that I'm working in a spreadsheet that has a bunch of different students and a lot of student information. When I scroll over to the right to look at the information in all of the different columns, I no longer am able to see the first column with the student's name. And while you can highlight it or do something tricky in order to try to make sure that you're on the right row, there's things that you can do, but there's a way to freeze it so it helps. So in order to do this, let's say that I want to freeze column A so that I can see all the student names. So when I scroll over to look at student information, I know which student that information belongs to. So you just select the column that you want to freeze. You click View, Freeze, and then you can select rows or columns to freeze. So in this case, I want to freeze the entire column A. So up to column A. And then you'll notice that it puts this gray line right here. And now that means that column is frozen. So as I'm scrolling over to look at information for this student, I am easily able to tell which student this information belongs to. You can go back up to View, Freeze, and click No Columns to undo it, or you can hit this back arrow, or you can do a hotkey, which is Control Z to undo it. And now it's not frozen anymore. You can do the same thing for rows. So maybe for some reason you want to look at the top half of a spreadsheet and scroll down to the bottom, but you need to be able to see the top at the same time as the bottom. You can do the same thing. So I selected a few columns, or excuse me, a few rows, freeze up to row 7, and now that gray line shows you where it is frozen. Hopefully this tutorial is something that helps you and is something that you never knew that you needed in your life. Have fun.